We're almost finished this website now, and I'm going to upload it onto the internet, not to be viewed on the internet, but to be checked by the W3Schools to make sure that it's valid, that I've used my HTML 100% correctly. Before I do this, I've got to put in a couple more things that are just complementary to the website that give it a little bit more detail. So straight under the title information in the head section, I am going to put in a couple more tags, and the tags I'm going to put in are the meta name tags, which give me the descriptions of the page, and the description is just a CV because that's all it is, and the meta name keywords, and I could put the keywords in, which could be Tim Berners, CV, information about me, so that if you were searching on Google and you wanted to find this web page, you'd put some keywords in, and this is where this web page would look for those keywords and put it in. So this is a description about the web page, and this is the keywords that that web page would use. I will save this, and because it's in the heading, nothing is going to change here. So we don't actually need to go view the page because it's not going to change. What we can do now, though, is we can go and look on the internet, and I'm just going to type in here page validator. So I've searched in Google for page validator, and once again, when we're working with web pages, you'll notice this W3C always comes up. They're the ones who are controlling the internet in terms of the way the content's being able to be written. I'm going to click on this validating service, and it's asking me the address. I want to upload my file for them to check to see if the code is all right. I need to choose the file. The file is going to come from my Web Design 1 folder, and all I want to do is upload the index.html. I'm going to open that and check it, and I'm expecting to find an error. This document was tentatively checked as XHTML 1.0 strict, and it's passed, but it's found two warnings. What are the two warnings? It hasn't found this UTF file. I need to put an extra bit of content into my page to pass it. If I had any other errors, I would have had more errors that would have shown up here, and it would list the errors that come down. The web page would still display on the internet, but it would not be 100% XHTML strict. That's what we're going to work on now. So I am going to go fix this problem. What I need to find is where my UTF statement is, which tells me the character encoding labeling for the document, and I'm going to go and find that now. I've realized I've left out one of the meta tags that talks about the document type, and the validator picked me up previously saying that it tentatively agreed that my code was 100% correct, but I was missing one little line of meta tag code. I'm going to put that meta tag code in here, so I will paste it straight in, and all it is a meta tag that says the content type is text HTML, and it's using the character set UTF-8. That was all it was missing, hopefully. If I save that, minimize that, go into the website, go back to my page validator service, upload the file, choose the file to upload, and it's the saved index 1. I can open that, check it, and it should be correct. And it has come up as entirely green, saying the document was successfully checked as XHTML 1.0 strict. The result was that it was passed. That meta tag was my only problem, and down the bottom it said, congratulations, my document is XHTML 1.0 strict. It means that I've followed this protocol language, and I'm now able to put this icon onto my page. The icon is like a quality assurance that says it's been validated by W3C, and it is XHTML 1.0 strict, and it gives me the code to put on the page. I can now copy and paste that code on the page, and I'm going to do that once I organize where I'm going to put my stuff in the footer.